All right, let's talk about the Manpack real quick. So I spent the evening figuring out the programming software, and it looks like we're good to go. So over here is the software that they provide, Retevis, and inside we have 48 channels programmed into my Manpack. So that means I can sit here and choose, we're on volume, we'll go to channel. We can just sit here and go through, let's see, what channel was the NOAA weather station?
20? Gusts up to 25 miles per hour.
So
Chance of rain 60%.
not only do you have the ability
Monday,
to sit
sunny.
and
Highs in the mid-60s.
cycle through your different repeaters, your simplex calling frequencies, you can listen to NOAA weather. I have GMRS frequencies programmed into this. We have maritime frequencies, the ISS band, to listen to the International Space Station. Let's see, simplex calling for 2 meter and 440 GMRS. We got our MERS, and then additional. We're still picking up that NOAA. This isn't the primary, but it's neat to see. So this is the primary repeater in the area. We'll see if this can even reach out there. Kilo Romeo 4, Juliet Bravo November, radio check on the Manpack. I don't think I'm gonna make it out of my garage, but if I was on that right there, that Slim Jim, that thing would probably hit it. This is the working area that we got here. But needless to say, this is essentially what you'll get when you buy one of these Manpacks. You tell me the area you're living in, anything specific you want, and I will program all of the frequencies into it, an example, and we'll name them accordingly. I will, whether you're gonna transmit or not, I'll check that to keep you in the clear. But I definitely recommend learning it. Watch some YouTube videos when you buy one. There'll be an instruction manual to come with it. I have half of mine to take these and give you some more details instead of, just channel names so that you know what they are. I know what these are, but for your sake, so you have them and you have more detail than just this. Let's see, we'll turn the volume up. What did I want to do? There was something else I want to show you guys. We'll talk about at least this much. So when you get it, it'll come with an extra fuse. You'll get the programming cable as well. So you can download this software yourself if you feel so inclined and add different things to it. I'm opening up these radios when I get them. They only do 430 to 440 megahertz and then 130 or 144 to 148. So we're opening it up to do 136 to 174 and 400 to 490. So anything in those bands you can at least listen to. It doesn't mean you can transmit on them legally, so don't do that. But yeah, programming cable, the whole setup. This has been running since 2 o'clock. It's almost midnight, so going on 8 hours. And we're good, man. This is great. This thing's really growing on me, this radio. Big fan. So let me know what you guys think. I have a olive drab green coming on Sunday. So we'll have gray, multicam, khaki, black, and olive drab green. But yeah, appreciate those of you that are interested. It's pretty neat.
Monday, north winds 15 to 20 knots.
It's pretty sweet.
To 20
you
to
can
25
have
knots
so much
in
packed away in one bag. Throw this in your
Gusts up
car,
to 30
throw this in the back of your truck,
Waves 4 to 5 feet.
and you're good to go. Thank you guys so much. Really, I appreciate the support. I'm excited to start getting these out to people. So stay up to date. Thank you.